Hi guys, I'm gonna be a chicken in Brookhaven. So, and I'm making noise. I'm not a hacker, guys. It's just this hat from Brookhaven. You have to enter ID and you get this hat, and that sound will appear. Okay, let's be a chicken. So let's go. I'm just gonna teleport in someone's house. Buck, buck, buck. Buck, 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 buck. Oh, I don't need to put in the tap. Police! Okay. Why, dude? Where are you taking me? I'm just a chicken. Okay, it's taking me to the farm where I belong. No, I'm just a chicken. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. I'm just a chicken that makes noise. What the Sigma? I thought he had a house. Oh, that was other names. Why did you not take the farmhouse? I'm telling you. This is the farmhouse, guys. Wait. Why did he back? Okay. This house, wait. This farmhouse. Wait. Yes, this one. It covers secrets too, so. Okay, this is gonna be my home for now. Farm. Okay, so I'm a chicken and I'm just gonna go teleport. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna go here. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, let's go. So guys, I just told you, I'm not a hacker. This is just a ID. Okay, let's go. I'm a chicken, please. He's like, what? How is this guy? How is this guy doing chicken noises? Because of this hat. You're not gonna pick me up, buddy. I know you're the one that banned me from the house. No, I'm not going you. No, please. No, I'm just a poor little chicken. Oh, juke. Nah, bro. Oops. I'm just a little chicken running from this guy. No. Oops, you. Nah, bro. it's so easy to. Oh my god. Go, 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 go. No, you're not gonna carry me. You're not gonna carry me. It's not gonna carry me. No, that's not happening. Okay, cook me, bro. Cook me. Cook me. Okay, okay, cook me. Let's go, let's go. Cook me. Cook me. Cook me. Nah, bro, cannot find me. I'm being cooked, killed. Oh my god. Nah, bro. He cannot find me, bro. I'm just a little chicken. Let me just go to my house. Go to a house. And put them right. Hey, what the hell? No, hey, yo, no. Okay, okay, okay. Do you know there's actually a secret here? You just have to go on one of the sides. In the house. Yeah, is it? They are not gonna ban me. Bro. Ooh. Oh yeah. I'm a chicken. Please don't hurt me. Did I just fall? Everyone is banning me from the house. Dad, you're not playing 2-2. Hey yo! Bro, that's not play 2-2. And she put an X. Okay. So there's no Squid Game happening here. You don't even have friends that. Why? Why, bro? Why? Like. Why? Why? Did why? I said why. I said why. Okay, he unbanned me. Give me a spot where I can sleep. Let me just do this, do that, and let me make a bed for myself. Like a bed, yeah. Yeah. Hello? Police. I want food. See? Hello? What Poland? Are you talking about the... Oh my god, dude. I'm going out. Oh my god! Help! Help! Oh no! Guys, help! Don't worry, the chicken is gonna save the place. Food? I need food, bro. Please, I'm begging you. I need food. Dude, why would you do that? You said, okay, you always ban me from your house. Okay, then I'm not gonna. Dude, like, bro just wanted to ban me and waste my time. Okay, but yeah, I make chicken. No, you banned me. No. Okay, guys, he cannot even pass me. Did he just left? Oh, he's still there. Super rich. Super rich chickens are killing people. Yeah, that's what you get. That's what you get. You're going down.
Oh,
Is she following me? Okay. Let's go. Click. Okay. Close, please, close. Close the door. Yes! Oh, this trick is like old. It's from like 2020. And he still doesn't know, bro. Let's go. Goodbye. Look. Did he just go to another? Yeah, or he just know the glitch. I don't know, but yeah, he definitely. Oh no! He knows the glitch. Help! I'm so scared. No. Help. I'm actually. I didn't even realize this. Bro, why are there so many lights? Okay.